What is up, JNL Nation? Happy holidays. This is the time where we really celebrate all of our blessings. And we're going to be celebrating the booty earthquake, booty shake, because this is the last happy hump day of 2019. Ring the bell for that. Even Mr. Sanibel is happy. I'm drinking my detox water. I got some nice tea that's been marinating all night. I'm ready for this happy hump day. Now here's your pre-workout jolt. Right now, I want to give you guys 2 free gifts. 2 gifts right here. No hooks. Just as if it helps you improve the quality of your lifestyle, then I've succeeded. Go to JenniferNicoleLee.com. There are actually 2 different email opt-ins. Number 1, you're going to get my 180-page full-color fitness model diet program ebook emailed to you right automatically when you sign up to the newsletter. Then you're getting a free workout as well. So you're getting a book and a workout to help you crush your goals, because the book is going to get your mindset right, and then the workout is going to crush your body to get you ready for 2020. I want you to get your rear in gear for the new year, because it's now or never, guys, okay? Now, I want to talk to you about cashing that check. How many of you guys out there remember your first job and you were so excited when that payday rolled around that you ran to go pick up the check? Remember the good days? We didn't have direct deposit. We had to go pick up the check. It was like payday, cash the check. You actually went to the bank and cashed it so you can get cash in your hand, right? Well, that's what you do when you work out. You're cashing that check. You're running to your body's bank account and you're cashing that check, making direct deposits. Okay, right now, I want you to make that 2 little millimeter shift, that tiny little shift that's going to transform everything. How do you do that? Well, you know what? You ask yourself, what do I want? And right now, you're probably asking right now, what can I get out of this lady? Well, you know what you can get out of me? Motivation, inspiration, guidance, coaching, helping you cash that check daily. And then on top of that, remember when you cashed that check and you had to pay your light bill, your rent, you had to pay that person buy your groceries? No. And then you're like left with nothing. No, you're going to pay yourself first. You're going to pay yourself first. How do you do that? You take care of your needs first. That's not selfish. That is self-care. Okay? So right now, I want you to put a big smile on your face. Yes, don't you feel better already? Because you have mirror neurons. When you see me smile and get all excited about working out, you're like, yeah, I want to get excited too. I feel like I want to burn off that fat. I want to get my abs all tight and toned. I want to work on my glutes and my legs. And we all feel better. Did you know that it has been scientifically proven that your brain works better 31% better when you're in a positive state of mind? What a huge jump. So get happy right now. You better find your happy bell in your body and get to banging it, because your brain works better. You can make solutions. You boost your mood. You feel better. And it's that much easier to live your life. Okay, guys? So right now on a scale of 1 to 10, we're going to take a quiz. I want you to rate what is important to you in your wellness program so I can get to know you a little bit better. Number 1, how important is it to have an attentive trainer? Post comments right here, guys. We got to break this algorithm of Facebook. Come on. Let's have a 2-way street here. I want you guys to talk to me. 1 to 10, how important is it to have an attentive trainer that's there, not checking her cell phone, not even there, sending you an email, sending you a video, do this workout? How important is it also to have community support? Scale of 1 to 10. How important is it to you not to have to drive to a workout, get all cute, hair and makeup, and not be judged by the other gym goers? Is that important to you? Look, if I'm missing something, post below what is important to you. How important is it to you on a scale of 1 to 10 that your coach is just really pushing your motivational buttons, that she knows you? Okay? Yes. These are all important. I want to pull those yeses out of you and get those 10 out of 10, because I want to give you what you deserve, okay? I'm here to serve you. Ask yourself this question. If I keep on doing what I did for the past 10 years, am I going to be where I want to be come 2030? Now is the time to get your rear in gear for the new year, okay? And I'm gonna drop a little tease. In January, I want you to break out your favorite jeans. I don't like the word skinny jeans, but that's what it kind of is. Get those jeans you've not been able to wear in a while, can't zip up. They're your favorite jeans. You spent so much money on them, but they're in your closet, can't wear them, because we're gonna be doing the skinny jean challenge come January, and it's gonna be so much fun here at jnlvip.com. Okay, so right now, I want you to say, that's right. If you're sick and tired of being sick and tired and ready for a motivational kick in the butt, that's right. Time is now. If you're finally ready to step out of your I could do better to I am better and manifest it and put it into motion, do that. If you're ready to finally become your own best friend, the time is now. Look, guys, I have a whole sermon today. This is exclusive coaching for the private Jolt going down at 2:30 today. And it's going to be a good one. Wow, wow, wow. I got so much to go over here. I don't even know where to start. I'm going to give you a little bit of a teaser, okay? Right now, let's see. I want you now. Here's 10 things you can do today to really jumpstart your success in 2020. Release your reservations. Be ready to evolve. We're not like animals. We don't compete with each other. We're not in the wild. We're evolved. We can complete each other and help each other. Identify your desires. What are your goals? Grow your knowledge. Get to know yourself better. Self-love, like I aforementioned. Take care of yourself. Strengthen your willpower and self-discipline. And spend quiet time and mindfulness so you can truly go over your goals. All right, guys. With that being said, I'm going to be going live at, I love this thing. It's so jazzy. I'm going to be going live at 8 a.m. with our wonderful, oh my goodness, Merry Fitness and Happy New Year, because this is the last Happy Hump Day of 2019, because next Wednesday is Christmas, and the Wednesday after that is January 1st. So get your gadonka-donks ready. We're going live at 8 a.m. And if you want to really tone up and lift your tush, we're doing it now. If you want to add more junk in the trunk, we're doing that now. If you've been dragging a lot of wagon, you want to lift it up, the time is now. Let's go, ladies. Get your big weights out. And I'm really excited because I'm going to be dishing out a big bowl of booty exercises. All right, let's do this. Happy Hump Day. I believe in you. And don't forget, 12 o'clock today on my Instagram at jennifernicollee.com, I'm going to be going live with Tayo. She's a queen. We're going to be giving you more motivation, double the motivation. And then 2:30 is our IG Live, is our Jolt of JNL in the private Facebook group. All right, guys, I love you. If you're not a member, jnlvip.com. And don't forget, go to my main website and get these 2 presents. The ebook Fitness Model Diet Program and also your free workout. Let's do this. I believe in you. Bye, guys. Love you, Tammy. God bless you.